Art and Culture Department ki Manipur State Archaeology na Manipur University Central Museum ga KHUTSHAMNANA Shinduna World Heritage Day 2024 ki Touram Ngasi MU Central Museum the Pangthokkhre. Touram adu da Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra, Art and Culture ki Commissioner M Joy amadi atay masak naiba miyoi kyana Touram ki maroiba mitunglen singoy na sarug yaki. Ngasi ki Touram adu ka mari lainana Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra na hai Manipur khakta natana mapanda ki Manipur University da lakpa visitors da museum asigi kuthangda Manipur gi puwari sing khanghananaba Manipur University gi maikadi honaduna lakpani Manipur University da lakpa visitors sing su University asigi library amadi museum da ayampana laktai masigi kudong chaba silauraga University asigi leriba faculty sing naso anoba visitors sing lakpada hena pamnanaba museum ama oihananaba semgatpa mathau tai masidas natana Manipur University da leriba Kanchipur asi Manipur gi puwari ka sagonaba yamna maruiba mafum amasu ori Taranipan soba chahicha ki matamda Manipurda thokiba thodok watok sing Manipurda pankiba ningthau singi khubam amadi laifam na chingba kaya Manipur University ki akoibada lai pumnamak ase thejenduna museum asida lakpa visitors singda uhanma ki tangai fadaba lai masida Manipur University ki maikaidi ki sangam thak to honaduna cultural amadi heritage site sing yokhanana bohonari haina so mahakna makata ki
All of us are aware that Dr. Suniti Kumar Chatterjee had written very clearly and very succinctly that in Manipur Manipur is a melting pot of East and the West. That's why many of our intangible culture, there's a lot of beauty in the intangible culture. Of performing arts, dance, this, and everything. Because there had been a collective interaction, collective growth. There have been a very, very interesting accounts and the narratives of the evolution of a plural society in Manipur.